Now I just need to find where can I refill my batteries as well. Like in all airports, it's a problem to find a place where you have socket and comfortable place to sit in at the same time. Funny enough, I wandered into business and first class check-in. You see what they have. This is exactly what I need, although I don't think I was supposed to be here, but nobody is driving me out either. So that's all we need, the socket and the comfy seat. Nice. We'll see how long will I be here before somebody asks me to leave with my dirty galabea, which is torn and damaged with a bird poo and this kind of bag. I definitely don't like a business or first class passenger, do I? Nice, it's working. And the seats are very comfy. They recline back on a soft spring. Only myself, I don't fit in with my clothes and my other things, namely these, into this environment. Rich Arab oil magnate, or how do you call them in English, who fly in first class. Okay, we'll see, we'll see. Maybe I'll last for some time until I charge my things, and then I can move on if somebody asks me to. I was indeed asked to leave the place. The man came and politely asked which airline I'm using and is it business class, and this place is only for business class. So he kindly asked me to go to that side where I'm going now, which is for economy class. All good, all good. I understand, that's only normal, that's only to be expected. But the funny thing is that I got some 4 or 5 hours there, so everything is charged, everything is good. And actually it's time to find a place for a night's sleep. So, wow, you see, they have even these things that make a nice smell. That's crazy. So yeah, I'll be going and looking for some good night's sleep place. Everything is charged. Most of what I wanted to do is done. Just a tiny little bit is what I still wanted to do, and I'll find a good place and I might finish that job. And yeah, I'll then go to sleep. All good. Thank you, business class, for that nice place which I had for all these hours.